Right, here I am down on June 1st, 2023, here at the Civic Center in front of City Hall by the Lagoon. Time is 12:40 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. The gentlemen are down in here working on the Lagoon today, trying to get this put into shape. Apparently they have some technical issues they got to get fixed down here. I also found a solution somewhat for my iPhone 13 Pro Max screen brightness. I turned off auto brightness in the settings under accessibility and display and text, turned off the auto brightness, and now I can just put it up as bright as it goes. Even that is not like super great, but at least I can see something on here. So this is what's going on down here. I'm just going to shoot some short segments here, see what's going on today down here. So this is what we have here at the Lagoon. Let me cut this short here, and I'm going to move around, just hit a few things. This is a test day today. I was going to have a new lavalier mic, but there was an issue where I need a second adapter for the what would be the Rode Lavalier Go to adapt to my iPhone. I have to order a second adapter to get that to work, so kind of messed up my plans, but this is what we got going on here. Alrighty. Actually, while I'm right here in this area, I can also show that they've pulled down the fences that were here in front of City Hall just yesterday morning. So all the fences appear to be down now. As you can see here, no more fences in front of City Hall. So this is all opened again. Public's able to walk through here. And I can show it here. The city has started posting their flags back on the flagpoles again. Right there. Can't really see the screen from this angle that good, but they do have the flags back up there on the flagpoles now, so things getting back to normal down here, or a new normal anyway. So let me walk over this way just a little bit, and then I'm gonna shut this down and just see what else there is to shoot down here. This will just be a very brief shoot today. I've seen some couples down here with their kids trying out the new playground over here. One kid's over there, but he doesn't sound very happy, so. And they're continuing to work on the East Bowl canopy down here. Yes, the lighting is always something that has to be fine-tuned and fixed up. If I go over here, you can see they have this little walkway with the rails. This is where they poured the concrete up here at this little intersection yesterday. It was where they were pouring concrete when I was down here. It's all set. So here we have the East Bowl canopy, and so this is looking good. Let me cut this short here, and then I'm going to move on around and shoot just a few things today. Get in some exercise too while I'm down here. Alrighty. Alright, here I am coming up on the Aline bar construction site over here in the West Bowl. This continues to move along. Up there in the roof area, you can see they're putting that together. Getting some kind of roofing set up there. Well, this will continue to come along, adding more wood to the upper structure, getting this all fixed up so it'll look good in the future. So just shooting just a little bit of this. But it is continuing to progress here. Alrighty. Just a quick little thing here. They put this back together down here where they had it sort of torn up or something yesterday, and they may have added a drain there. I'm not sure. Possibly a drain was added, but they've got this fixed up and put back together, and yearlings right there. So just shooting a quick spot shot here, seeing what they fixed up and what's still yet to be done down here. Alrighty. Right, here I am. I'm going to finish up for today. Just mainly a test day and checking a few things out. Little recon on June 1st, 2023. So let me walk on back down this way just a little bit. And I'm going to finish up down here in the newly opened east end of the project. Back over here by Herb Drinkwater. And the concrete they poured yesterday is setting. We'll have that completed pretty soon, I think, as far as putting it back together. So this is getting one of the last things to get finished up here. Then of course the lagoon itself. People out here with their kids playing in the playground, enjoying the new playground there. It should be a lot of fun for kids to come down here and play and interact with other kids. In the lagoon, a little bit of a break now, but it'll work to get this thing put back into shape. Get that done. Still working on the lighting on the canopy down here, I do believe. So project's pretty much wrapping up now. There's a few little things that have to be fixed here and there, I think, but my whole long epic journey to from the beginning of the documenting the demolition here to the completion is about to come to fruition. I think ultimately what I'll do in the future is I'm going to come down here and check out some of the events they put on and see how the park is utilized for the public. See what kind of events and festivals they put on down here, see how those go. So I'm just going to finish this up here for today, and I didn't accomplish all I wanted to accomplish. I got my new lavalier mic, but until I get a second adapter so that I can use that, I can't use it with the iPhone here. So alrighty.